Alright guys, I thought I'd do just a quick video on the caps that you need for your right ascension and DEC ports on your CP5 to the Mach 2. Now, I'm not going to go over the other ones because I did a video. I'll put that in the link for the caps that fit the CP3 and CP4. But with the CP5, they use two cables. It's not one cable into two. It's two distinct ports, right ascension and declination. And so I wanted some caps for these, and I'll show you which ones I got. Now those two connectors are Binder type. Okay, they're made by Binder connectors, and the actual cap that you need is a product 02-0055-000. The description is a protection cap series 680. Now, be forewarned, I would try to look to see if you can't find these somewhere else. I ordered them direct from the company, and they're only 15 cents each. I ordered several. I was charged $11.64 for shipping, so I thought that was a bit extravagant. And the reason I didn't know what the shipping was to begin with is when I placed the order, the guy said, you know, I did it over the phone. I wanted to make sure I had the right ones and all that, and he said that they won't know until shipping gets it, which I thought was strange. And I didn't find out till I charged my card and I called back, but yep, $11.64 for these things that probably weigh grams. So here's what that little cap looks like, and there's the inside, and you'll see that little ridge there. See that, the side view? See that ridge? That basically just snaps in. Okay, there you see them on there. I wouldn't push them all the way. You can push those down further so they're flush, but you'll need your fingernail to pull them up. When I do it, I just push down till they get like one click. And they're on there. They're not coming off.